Go all in, dive deep into the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be exploring the English phrase, go all in. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also know how and when to use it. Let's dive right in. In its most literal sense, go all in is a term that originates from the world of poker. In poker, when a player decides to bet all of their chips on a single hand, they are said to go all in. They are taking a big risk by betting everything they have on the belief that they have a winning hand. Outside of poker, go all in has taken on a figurative meaning. When someone says they're going all in a non-gambling context, they mean they're committing fully to something, be it a project, a relationship, or a decision. It's about putting 100% of your effort, resources, or emotions into something you believe in. Example, she decided to go all in on her dream of becoming a writer, quitting her job to write full-time. The beauty of the phrase is its versatility. You can use it in various contexts. 1. Decision-making. After much thought, I've decided to go all in and start my own business. 2. Sports. The team decided to go all in the final minutes, resulting in a stunning victory. 3. Relationships. He went all in with his relationship, moving across the country to be with her. Remember, using the phrase means emphasizing commitment, dedication, and sometimes risk. And that's a wrap on the phrase, go all in. Whether you're talking about poker, pursuing dreams, or making crucial decisions, this phrase can come in handy. We hope you found this explanation useful and that you'll confidently use go all in your conversations. Happy learning and see you in the next video.